I'm starting off the video at the end of the job, basically. I don't know if I would have had to remove the wipers if I would have undone this here. This is the cowl. This will have to be pushed towards the back of the car, so push it up and it will release. Where was it? It's right here. We'll push it up and it'll come up, and maybe then you would be able to get to that access to that box quickly. All right, that's it. Took the battery out, careful, I covered the positive because it might spark. Took this off, 3 bolts here, right there, and the one on the side, 10 millimeter. This came out, this was like that, I think. Actually, no, it was like this. Undid the connector, undid the 2 clips by just popping them up with a flathead. That's what all of this looks like. Had to yank this out. Had to take out the passenger side windshield wiper. Basically take it by hand and yank it up right here on these parts. Yank it up, do it a few times, it'll come off. 13 millimeter. Here's approximately the marking where it's gonna have to go back on. Here are the clips I was talking about. This I had to kind of get this up. That's kind of getting squeezed, and I was able to take that out. So the issue itself. As you can see, that's come off. There it is. Looks like the plastic broke. And it's inside the hose now. So I'm gonna have to take that out. The hose part number is right there. 230 83235. I guess that's 004. And then I'm gonna have to replace this. I think I should be able to get to it. But yeah, I wasn't even aware of all these hoses here. But I assume this is the heater core control valve. Get the hoses out of that clip right there and pull them both up. That way you'll be able to rotate it. I was able to take it all off using these single pliers. And here's the part. There it is. Let's see, what's the part number? 230 830 0084. And it was made in 2003. Car is 2004, so yeah, this is original. And there it is. Oh, this thing is a beauty. So, making an update, got this box back in. Obviously, I got the new valve. That right there, 1 second. This right here will have to go on that hose. And yeah, I ended up taking the other wiper as well, just to lift this off. This was kind of attached here. I don't think there's any glue, but it was stuck pretty well to the glass. So maybe I'll get that sorted out. This, I think the box I was able to put it in without that wiper. Actually, I did it after, but I just I took these out, you know, out of those holes, these rubber grommets. This one was the one that was stuck. You can see it got messed up. I was able to then lift this even more. Actually, by right here, I lifted it. While I was lifting, the box went in, kind of at an angle. But anyway, this is the axis. It's not great. Okay, so this part was giving me trouble. Right here, it was holding on. So what you have to do is push this up. Push it up, it's like a quick release, and it will come out. That's what that looks like. I'm just gonna take it off, clean it up, clean the leaves out and all that. I don't really have to take it out. But if that would have been undone, I probably would not have had to touch the wiper. So keep that one in mind.